Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong love reading for January 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Ayan, and please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Gemini, what's up with your love life ngayong January? Oh, talaga naman. The Lovers. This is also your energy. Because the Lovers in Tarot is associated with Gemini. Yung iba in love. So, maaring you are committed right now. Merong kang person that you are dealing with na you really like. Okay? You want this relationship to last. Someone is holding on to this relationship. Yung tipong ayaw niyang pakawalan. Oo. Lagang gusto niyang i-keep itong relationship na to. You have Judgment card. I think, yung iba, no, nagkaroon kayo ng some sort of challenges sa relationship ninyo. And, dumating dun sa point na kailangan may magbago. No? May magbago sa pakikitungo nyo sa isa't isa, or ikaw, maaring meron kang kailangan baguhin sa sarili mo para maayos yung naging problema ng relationship ninyo. Or even the person that you're dealing with. 8 of Cups. Possible to na nagkaroon ng hiwalayan. And then, may nagtry na ayusin to work things out. Hindi pa niya hayang i-let go. And I don't know kung, well, i-check natin later, no? Kung saan papunta tong relationship na to. Para kasing pwedeng isa lang sa inyo ngayon ang nag-e-effort sa relationship. Nag-hold on sa relationship. But maybe the other person wants to leave, no? Gusto nang umalis ng isa. Pwedeng kayo to or the other person. Oh, the Tower. Parang meron ditong napuno. Oo, parang hindi na niya kaya na i-handle yung relationship. Kahit yung isa gusto pa na ayusin. Sabi nga sometimes love is not enough. Hindi naman talaga, sapat yun. Maraming factors na kailangang i-consider. What are the energies of this connection? When we're talking, things just come out of my mouth and afterward, I'm not even sure why I said them. Siguro nagkakaroon kayo ng, challenges sa communication. Hindi kayo nakakapag-usap ng maayos. Yung tipong, yung iba nagkim-kim ng mga sama ng loob. And then, dumating dun sa point na, hindi na niya pala kayang tiisin. Kaya minsan nakakapagsalita na ng hindi maganda doon sa other person. Karmic ties. I can't fully be there for you as long as this other person is in my life. Oh, I know it's hard for you, but I have to go through this experience in order to heal it. Oh, so posible na meron ditong third party situation. Someone is interfering sa connection na to. Pwedeng sa side mo or sa side ng person that you're dealing with. I'm not going to give into fear. I know fear is only an illusion. I'm going through physical, emotional ascension symptoms. I need space. So, ito na naman yung space. Oo, ito yung connection ng dalawang tao na yung isa siguro nagkaroon na ng interest sa iba or na involved sa ibang tao. And then, nagkaroon ng separation. Pero, the other person still wants na, maayos. So, try niyang i-work out yung relationship. Kaya lang, ang problema rin kasi, minsan, akala natin gusto nating i-work out yung relationship. Pero actually, yung ego lang natin yung natatapakan dyan. Yung pride natin na someone cheated on us, no? May nanloko sa atin. Parang just to prove na magagawa ng paraan. Gusto mong ayusin. I know I need to release attachments with karmic people. I'm creating a plan to leave him or her. Ayan. So, pwedeng isa sa inyo ay connected sa isang karmic relationship or even this person is a karmic relationship that you're dealing with. Nang hirap bitawan, no? But, I think, kung maglalakas loob ka talaga na alamin kung ano yung kahihinat na ng connection nyo, kung ito ba yung magiging masaya pa ba? Worth it pa ba tong tao na to na ipaglaban? 'Di ba? But definitely medyo toxic itong relationship na to. May isa lang talaga na hindi nag-give up sa connection. Parang sinasabi na kaya pang ayusin, but the other person is drifting away, umiiwas na. So where's this relationship going? Ayaw na. I think, ngayong January, proseso pa rin to para sa inyo. Oo, it will still be a process. Because, pwede ritong merong pagbibigyan yung isa. Kung sino man yung nagkamali, nagkulang, pagbibigyan, hahayaan. Itatry na i-workout. Pero I think, no, kahit anong workout ito, kung napipilitan na lang yung isa, eventually, maghihiwalay eh. What is meant to be, it will be. Listen with your heart. You are listening but need to hear with a loving heart. Yes. You need to listen to your partner. Ano yung issue, ano yung kailangang pag-usapan. Hindi lang laging yung side lang natin, no? Yung kailangang pansinin. Receive with love and appreciation. Gracious acceptance is a way to show love. Siguro meron ditong hindi masyadong, kumbaga parang na-take for granted sa relationship. Back to what you love or re-evaluate your desires. Ito ba talaga yung taong gusto mo na makasama sa buhay? Siya ba talaga? O parang niisip mo lang kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao? Ano yung reputation mo sa iba? You know, sometimes it's pride and ego na lang eh. That's why some people still try to work things out with the relationship para lang masabi na maayos yung connection. So, but of course, at the end of the day, it's your call. It's your choice. Okay? So, ayan yung reading for you, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.